working with D.I.Y with the receipt.
What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video, man. This is your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the receipt. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, got the C10 frame in the back. So today, you know, we're gonna try to work on putting the new brake lines in. Y'all seen on the last video, we got the brake lines in, all stainless steel. But yeah, man, we're gonna try to get this in, man, and we're gonna do it together. All right, man, y'all come on with me. All right, gang, yeah, we back. Just give y'all the overview, man, what the C10 frame looking like since we painted it. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, she finna come on along. She finna come on along. Give y'all just a little preview, man. Just preview of what it look like, man. So a little better light on this one. Yeah, man. I'm ready. Anyway, man, we got the kit from LMC truck, where you can go in anywhere to get every part you need. We're gonna go ahead on and try to get this stuff out, get everything laid out, and we get with you. Alright, gang. So this little kit that we got from LMC, it's pre-bent stainless steel. I could have went with the original stuff. It would have been a little bit cheaper, but I figured, man, I go with the stainless steel, maybe it'll last a little longer. So start taking this stuff out, and this stuff already supposed to be pre-bent and everything. So basically, it's self-explanatory. I thought I had some stuff that I didn't really need. As you see here, that is for a long bed. So evidently this kit comes with lines for long beds and for short beds. But anyway, man, they had the stuff bent in the box, so you gotta try to re-bend all this stuff back. So what I did, I kind of just laid it out on the frame where it's supposed to go. And like I said, it's pretty simple. That's the front half. So you got a front half right there, and that's the back half right there. And let me show y'all something. Right here, you have a little union. Let me show you the union part number. This is the union that I got. And all I do is just tie both of those lines together. Let's see. And that's the part number from LMC if you ever want to try to get your kit. Which they have all that stuff set up anyway on their book. Let's try to see if we can get this in, man. Let's try to see if we can get this. So these are 2 washers that's gonna go on both sides of your brake line, one on each side. Alright, get that. I'm gonna put one on your boat first, and then one on the other side of your boat. Alright, I'm gonna get this back in. Alright, so as you can see, you got a wash on this side. Also, man, for those that want to do a disc brake conversion on the back, as you can see, I didn't hook up to my drums. I got a little something special coming. This drum conversion. So for those that trying to do a disc drum conversion, you have to replace this little dude here. This is a proportional valve. It's got to be a disc to disc proportional valve. If you don't get that, you do a conversion, it will not work. The rear brakes will lock up on you. But yeah, man, that's what we got, man. All I gotta do now is get me some new hardware to bolt my proportional valve down, and we in the game. Alright, gang. Well, that's the end of my video, man, of the brake line installed on my C10, my 85 C10, man. Man, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Y'all like, subscribe, share, man. Hit the notification bell, man. Hit that thumbs up, man. Hit that thumbs up so they know our videos out. Alright, man. I appreciate y'all. Alright.